The Greece government finalized its intention to procure 20 Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II aircraft by signing a Letter of Offer and Acceptance (LOA) through a U.S. government foreign military sale. The LOA also includes an option for 20 additional aircraft. "We are excited to welcome Greece into the F-35 enterprise," said Air Force Lieutenant General Mike Schmidt, Director and Program Executive Officer, F-35 Joint Program Office. The F-35 will provide exceptional capability to the Hellenic Air Force, build interoperability between our allies and strengthen the combat effectiveness for all of NATO. For several decades, the Hellenic Air Force has been our partner, and it is our honor to continue that relationship as Greece becomes the 19th nation to join the F-35 program, said Bridget Lauderdale, Lockheed Martin's Vice President and General Manager of the F-35 program. The F-35 is the only fighter suitable to strengthen Greece's sovereignty and operational capability with allies. The F-35 is rapidly becoming the NATO standard fighter of choice, offering unparalleled interoperability with NATO and other allied assets. This capability stands as a significant advantage for the U.S. and its allies, ensuring strategic superiority for decades. By the 2030s, more than 600 F-35 will work together from more than 10 European countries, including 2 full U.S. F-35 squadrons stationed at Royal Air Force Lakenheath. The F-35 growing presence across Europe is a powerful testament of alliance-based deterrence and is setting the foundation for NATO and allied nations' next-generation air power capability, said Mara Motherway, Lockheed Martin Vice President of Strategy and Business Development. The F-35 plays a crucial role in deterring threats and disrupting adversaries' plans and actions. The mere presence of the F-35 strengthens Greece and the joint force, ensuring regional stability and safeguarding the sovereignty of Allied airspace. As the battlespace evolves, connectivity becomes increasingly vital. The F-35 is poised to play a critical role in the joint force, contributing significantly to the 21st century security battlespace. To date, the F-35 operates from 32 bases worldwide, with 10 nations operating F-35 on home soil. There are nearly 1,000 aircraft operational with more than 860,000 flight hours fleet-wide.